Hi Simtex and Simulationers, Paul back from Tech It TV. We've got another unboxing for you today. It's Rouilly's CORMAN. If you want to see more about this model, look up here in the card somewhere, and that will be the rep telling you about what the model does and everything. I will get to the unboxing now.
It's a nasogastric, nasojejunal feeding simulator. So we'll crack on and unbox it and see what we've got. Alright, let's spin that down. Got some unpacking instructions. Spray, always good. We look round the back, you've got a sort of stand. So we lay it back down again.
It can be with or without the skin as well.
Okay, so at the back you've got a stomach or trachea diversion away. Left or right lung diversion, which is 3. Can you see anything? There. 4. So you've got an opening or closing of the pyloric sphincter.
That's Rouilly's CORMAN. We'll do a full review on this later on once we've had a chance to play with it. So subscribe and get the notifications on, and once we've got the video done, we'll upload it and let you have a look. Thank you very much.